What's good, gangs? Ah, ah. Sorry. Don't have my pants on today. It's stuck on Velcro. Ah! Bro, this makes me feel so fucking cool. But we're trading without our pants on today. Why are we so blurry? You can't see the face I'm making. This is the one we traded yesterday. Very good trade yesterday. I stopped out around here when it rejected for the second time. Thought it was gonna go up further and take me out for break even, but it just broke through and almost, it actually did hit all my TPs. About, will it tell me how much time it is? 9 hours and 55 minutes. So it would have taken 10 hours to take all my take profits. Jesus Christ. All right. Wow. This. Okay, we're gonna do all my analysis. This. We're going to the downside. Probably. I mean, we're just kind of consolidating in this. I want to break through and then have a retracement. So let's mark out the 30-minute lows. Let me delete everything first. So break out of here, give me a retracement. Break out of here, give me a retracement. That's the plan. And then we can target this low. And what's the 1 hour high? This high. Those are our liquidity points. Wait. Hey, I guessed right. Remember yesterday's? I said this was a liquidity sweep. It triple rejected 1, 2, and then 3 down here. It made a liquidity sweep again on this liquidity sweep, rallied, retraced in the fair value gap, had a reaction, closed above right here. Very, very nice trade. 3.75. Wow. W. Wow. W trade, chat. Could have took that yesterday too. But now we're gonna delete everything. Let me make sure everything's working. Alright. Now we're gonna be looking at the 1 hour. We're on a downtrend. We rejected though. And now we're looking like we wanna retrace down and then rally up. Because we haven't yet reached this 1 hour high. We're kind of just in this zone of no other orders in the 1 hour. So we're looking for a retracement, and then, which we're getting kind of right now. We can mark out this 1 hour low. We're probably gonna come down, take it out, and then go to the upside. Definitely a buy option here. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm thinking for this. Or maybe we can look in the 30-minute. Do we have an order block? We did. We did. Move this move down, made this move up. So that's our order day. This could play out pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna redo this one. Delete. We're still looking bearish since we broke out of here and had a retracement. I already marked out everything, didn't I? And I just deleted it. Yeah. Let me delete all this. I guess this is an order block. Okay, it's retracing back up. Now I just, this is the order block. Now I just need to close below here and then I'll enter. I'm gonna get this redder. JPY USD, count size $20. Risk ratio 100%. Tips pop up. What the fuck did I just say? Okay. Like, just imagine if it closes below here, there's no way that it's not gonna hit my first TP. There's no way. It closed unless we have an equilibrium. We're still gonna be in profit. But I mean, we're on a downtrend, especially after this huge dick and then this big retracement back. We're gonna get a big reaction off of this rejection right here, and that's leading to taking out this low. And wherever it rejects right here to go to the downside, then I'll put the stop loss. Okay, this is our last one. Go on the 1 hour. Okay, we made a retracement. We didn't continue, actually. We actually just fucking had a spike. I mean, I think we're still looking to the downside, since now it took out took out the 1 hour high. Now we have this high marked. I think we're still looking to the downside. I'm gonna delete this equilibrium. Delete this. Delete this. Delete this. Delete it. Delete this. Okay. We're looking to. This is a double rejection right here. So I want this to break to the downside through here and then give me a retracement. We're not gonna say, because look at this. We see the rejection, boom. It breaks to the downside. Breaks to the downside, gets in this fair value gap. It reacts. You would have entered there if you didn't wait for it to close below. Now I'm seeing this is a double rejection. And the reason you don't want to take it up here, because it could reject right here. This is a point of liquidity where you would want to take out and continue if it would want to. But we do have a 1, 2, 3, 4 rejections to the upside right here. So we're not looking to the upside, obviously, right now, especially when we're at this 1 hour high. It might want to come and take it out, but that's why we have to wait for this to break below and retrace. So that could be a good option too. We're gonna look at this though. We're going to continue looking at this and wait for this to break below. But if this is just a liquidity sweep, that's why bro, my strategy, some people just see a reaction, like a black candle, and then just enter right here. And then they get fucking smashed, and they wonder why. Idiots. Okay, it rejected right here. We're going to leave a little room, about that much, in case it wants to come up and meet it. Which actually happened on yesterday's trade. If I can find it. Yeah, right here. Boom, double reject. Broke below. Had a retrace. Boom, closed below. Entered on this black candle. Had it, I don't know, like here somewhere. But originally that was because I entered like here on this white candle, so it brought me up. So $20 risk was actually kind of up here, but originally my stop loss was right there, somewhere right there, giving it a more than enough room to come up and meet and then go to the downside. So you always want to leave enough room where where the chart can breathe a little bit. I'll even do it a little bit more, like at the top of this. Bang. Because we have a lot of room to cover the downside. We have this, which is a 2-3. We have this, which is the order block. Is it? I don't know. We have that as an order block, which is a 6-3 or 6-8 or something. And then we get scaled down to this low. You know, if it breaks through, it can continue for a while. But it looks like we might want to just break through right now. If it pushes. Oh, gold. I keep forgetting to check gold. What the fuck? Okay. Looks like we were right yesterday. It came up, took it out, and then fell to the downside. I think that was my prediction, right? We had a double rejection here. We're getting a very big reaction right now. We're obviously looking bearish. Obviously looking bearish. It's gonna reject this. Well, oh yeah, I remember why we didn't trade gold yesterday. It was like right in the middle, or right on the line of the 1 hour, like right here. And I was like, I ain't trying to trade that, because I don't know if it's gonna reject or if it's gonna continue, because obviously gold is a very bearish market, or a bullish market. So I obviously want to look for longs, and we're having rejections. So I don't really want to make a short or wait for a short, which I would have capitalized on it, obviously, but we need to wait for a rejection and an uptrend. I just really want to wait for that, because it's right now it's kind of retracing to the downside to continue to the upside. Okay, it's about to close below 7.3. 27. 7.3. And that is 0.27 lots. Now you guys can watch me buy it. 0.27. Sell. Perfect. And now I'll chart this out. Go for a short. Right above this rejection here. That's a 2-3. Now go to positions and edit position. Stop loss. Drag that motherfucker. Confirm. See if it plays. I guess we can watch this on here. Since y'all can see the money, you know, fluctuating. I don't have all my charts though, with all the lows and shit. I guess it really doesn't matter. There's not that many. I can chart it out though. I gotta change all the colors and shit. White. What else do I need to mark? I can. What is that? Templates. 1 second. I keep doing this mistake though. I mean, it's not really a mistake, but we're a little bit in withdrawal. That's totally fine. What is my stop loss at, by the way? I didn't even check. Fuck, I can't even press it. Oh, it's at 19. Okay, that works. How do I stop editing the position? Alright, that works. Alright, that works. Alright, that works. But normally, I mean, this is not a normal thing that happens, like a big reaction. It's happened a lot, though. Especially here, too. We had a big reaction. Boom, close below, and then it had a big reaction up. Yeah, this bitch just engulfed. Wow. Who knows? 44 cents might go a long way. That's insane. Reject. I'm not gonna stop trading after this. If I lose, this is cooked. If I lose this, then I'm gonna trade again. I still low-key don't think we're gonna lose. I gave it a lot of breathing room. Maybe I should have gave it a little bit more. This is wildin' though. Maybe I should start trading on here though, since I can enter and stuff. Oh, let's check how the oh wait, let's see. Yes. Reject. Nice. Go down. Engulf this whole entire candle. Go. Do it. Do it. Just fucking bolt down, bro. Please. I need to start checking my fucking calendar. It's 2. Okay, GB Bauman speaks at 4 a.m. So that's already done. We're good. Whoa, whoa. Oh my god, we're still in. That 40 cents. Ah? Ah? Please? We're out of the trade on here. Please? Oh my god! Alright. Fuck. Shit, bro. Alright. We're definitely not done, though. That was just unlucky. Sometimes it just doesn't work. For some reason, I don't know. I mean... If you... I mean... Alexa, stop. So, we made a low right there. Made another low right there. So this and this. It should've, I mean, it should've worked out. It broke structure to the downside right here. You can see it close in. I'm gonna enter again if it goes below here. But I want to check out the other ones first. Wait. Let's go. Here, so, okay. Okay. Oh yeah, this is the best one right now. Damn, that sucks, bro. It's whatever. We made 15. I think we're now. Let's check my. Yeah. 190. And go close positions. Lost $20.52. All time. We're down $12 all time. This week we are up $7 because I made $28 yesterday and I just lost 20. So that works out. Totally fine though. I don't mind losing. Just sucks a little bit. Or if it rejects right here, I'm entering again. Cause that's just so dumb. Fuck me, bro. Alright. Yeah, if it rejects, I'm just gonna enter again. I'm gonna take off some risk. I'm maybe probably gonna only enter with 15. I want it to close below here though, because that's insane. I don't want to be stupid with my money. I don't want to get greedy, because that's the problem with me. A lot of the times when I lose a trade and then I want to trade it again, I enter off of a rejection and not a close below. And then it makes me lose more money than I already have. So, we're going to wait until this bitch closes below here. If it ever will. Bro, I want to sit comfortably, but I don't want to make you guys uncomfortable. Let's put on my my fucking hat to look cool. Did someone redeem headset dent? Alright. How cool do I look? Fuck, I need to zip this up too. Oh yeah. I look fucking tough right now. Oh. Yeah. So that is insanely cooked. I kinda get why it was a little sketchy because it didn't fully fill the order block technically. 'Cause yeah, didn't fill it. But I took it, I lost, it's whatever. Um, let's check this. We need to come down here, at least to this low, and give me a retracement. Now, this is, even I'm wanting to trade really bad. Like, I want to trade so bad. Even though I really want to trade right now, you have to be patient. You have to be selective, you know what I mean? Wait, what the fuck? Oh. 1 hour. We're looking at Bitcoin right now. Pretty sure I already went over this, but it dropped down, touched our consolidation phase right here. Reacted off of it, now going to the upside. I predicted correctly. But I don't know how this bitch is just gonna fucking rip. But I know why I know why this chart did this because so many people are buying and they need to go down to hit stop losses, and the stop losses are below these lows. That's where my stop loss was. So it came down, hit, now it's going to continue the upside. So now I would advise for you, I'm not going to enter because I don't have enough capital to actually capitalize on the trade. And I would rather just stick to this. And I'm not going to get into the Bitcoin game this early in my trading career. But if I was y'all, I would enter right now. That sucks though. What an L loss. That's a terrible loss, bro. That fucking sucks. Because this can just retrace. If we see a reaction and we enter, it can just retrace to this order block. It broke out. This movement down made this movement up. So it's an order block. Kind of used as a liquidity sweep. I cannot lie. Oh shit. The setup looks sketchy too. I cannot lie. But we see a retracement all the way up to this order block. So I was like, fuck. Maybe I could like get a really nice short here. But I mean, it looks sketch. I entered, I lost, it's whatever. And well, if it rejects right here and then closes below here, then I will enter. Even if it's like, say, it closes right here maybe, and I put it above here. It's still a one, like 1-to-1 risk reward if it rejects this. But I mean, oh shit. You gotta do what you gotta do sometimes, you know what I mean? Even though it's not the best trade. If the market's giving it to you, then you gotta take it. This is dumping. Plan is to reject off this low and get a nice breaker structure to the upside. But we don't have any highs. The last high is up here. Wow, this shit's ripping down. We got a liquidity sweep with this high. And it's just rallying. I mean, nobody's buying that. You know what I mean? Well, people are buying it, and then see a reaction on this order block, and then people buy, and then they don't wait for a retracement, and then everybody's like, shit, fuck that then, and then hits their stop loss. I can't imagine not waiting for a retracement. It did kind of fuck me over right here, though. Can't lie. Cannot lie. Okay, we had a reaction to the upside. Let's look at the 1 hour high. 1 hour high is right here. I want that to break above, and then give me a retracement. Doom doo doom doo doom. 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 Which we do have a fair value gap here. We're obviously looking to the upside right now. Do 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 do. I don't like this consolidation phase though. I want this to move. This looks good. I want it to move so bad. Should we?
Gee.
Oh my god, he's naked. Did he post his? Fuck, wait. TJR. Wait, he didn't? He didn't? He didn't trade? I mean, I guess it was PMI or whatever yesterday. It was, yeah, USD SMI manufacturing PMI. And Federal Child speaks at 7 p.m. 7 p.m. What the fuck? It makes sense that okay, why is the rejection this high? What the hell is that? What the fuck? That's a 1-to-1. We're cooked. This trade is cooked, bro. It came up and retested this high. Because it retested, I want it to break below low and retrace. So I want it to break below and then retrace. You gotta make that black, gang. That's what we're looking at right now. Which I don't even know if we're looking to the downside right now. It doesn't even look it doesn't even look like we're looking to the downside. I guess I should stop charting on here. I'll just enter on there. Okay. Wow. I predicted correctly. But we have to break all the way above here and then get a retracement, so that's going to take a while. Bro, what if I like could tell the future and then I entered all the way down here for a long, like literally at the peak of this, I just longed it and then boom, put that right there, and then I just and then right when I do that, I see that it's not rejecting, or it rejected, and I just move my stop loss all the way up to break even, and then it just fucking slams in my direction. That would be sick. I'm not good enough for that though. Cannot lie. Imagine if I did this though. I see the rejection right here. I enter, and then I put my stop loss at right there. So that's, if it hits that, then I'm out. But this will be like 5K. That would be sick. Wait, Alexa, what's $20 times 263?
$20 times 263 is 5,260 US dollars.
Wait, I actually got that close. 5,000. W mathematician. Ooh, ooh, you're giving me a rejection, huh? You're giving me a rejection? Well, you need to break through and give me a retracement now, since you're being a little bitch. Sorry. Breakthrough, give me a retrace. Breakthrough, give me a retrace. Breakthrough. 1 second. We're back. Let's sit professionally. Oh my god, my teeth are so white, dude. Holy freaking shit. Okay. This, we rejected this low. Just consolidating. We might need a liquidity sweep to go to the downside. This, rejected this order block. I already said this. Kind of predicted it. I marked out the order block. I said break straight to the upside. This move down made this move up. This is an order block, and it went down and rejected it. So it's probably gonna go to the upside, most likely. I would low-key like if it would go to the upside and not give me a one-to-one trade. This rejected. We're waiting for this to break above this high. And then retrace. This, we're just waiting for it to break through any of these. But right now we're kind of looking at this. We're just kind of waiting. We have a lot of liquidity to target to the downside. Yeah, that's really everything, Loki. I will pause the video. I don't want to make it way too long. I need to get better at pausing it. But I'll let y'all know. This also, gold, rejected. It broke above 1 hour high. Now I just needed to retrace, and then I'll enter a long here. Even though it might consolidate on this high, which would suck. But hey, 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 let's lose some more money, chat. Hey. But we're probably gonna target these built up highs throughout this. So these doubled up highs, this high, this high. Go to 1 hour. Boom. Yep. Stacked up double highs here. So honestly, might reject right now. I cannot lie. It might reject. It just might fucking slam down right now. But that's fine. And yeah, I'll catch y'all in a minute if any of those work out. If none of them do, then I'll on pause and tell you that the video is over. So you're about to see in 3, 2, 1, 0. Alright, this was the one where it's a really good short. A lot of liquidity to take out. We found out a liquidity sweep to the upside. Or liquidity sweep to the downside, technically. I don't know how you would say it. But it broke structure to the downside right here. Now we're just waiting for a retracement. We have this big ass fair value gap that's going to be formed if this closes right here. So like, how's your day going? Cool, that's amazing. We've been recording for 42 minutes. I will let you know if it retraces. See you in a minute. See you in a minute.
Okay, mad.
I'll see you in a minute. Alright. We have entered a position, the one I've been waiting for. The short. I can show y'all. We're up $2.60 right now. Looks pretty nice. We filled this fair value gap that we have. Ooh. Gotta change that. What did I have it? Like a red and a purple. Red. Okay. But yeah. That filled. It looks pretty nice. Hopefully it just dumps. Yeah. That's pretty much it. Now we just chill and wait. The low is all the way down here. Got a lot of space to cover. Hopefully it does. I can mark out some liquidity that it wants to stop at. Let me mark out like high liquidity stuff. And there. So these are the points that it needs to go by. Which I can raise the stop loss a little bit because there's like no breathing room. So I kind of want to raise it up to like here. Oh my god. Do I have to hit edit again? We're gonna be risking a little bit more, but that's I guess that's mandatory. I don't know. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I will on pause and give y'all an update. We don't get mad in these situations. Gotta stay calm, gotta stay cool, gotta stay collected. That was $15, so it's not that big of a deal. It sucks. We just gotta come back better. We lost how much today? Today, $36 a day. It was looking good at the start. I don't really know what happened, but it's whatever. Maybe it wanted to hit this order block. I don't know if I want to re-enter though. I'll just take the loss. I want to see what happens though. I'll let y'all know what happened with the trade. I look naked. But I'll let y'all know what happened with the trade tomorrow. And hopefully we win tomorrow. But it doesn't really matter if I do. See y'all in the next video.